Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today, and today we have another segment of our pit stop episodes. We are going to be visiting the Loaded Goat restaurant here in Airy, North Carolina, and the restaurant is actually themed around an episode from the Andy Griffith show. So right after the intro, we'll put in a clip of that show for you guys just so you can kind of understand the theme. But if you'd like to join us, let's go.
Mayberry has everything you'd want in a small town. Friendly folks, fresh baked pies, and a first-rate fishing hole. But this sleepy little town has a secret too, and horror has a new name. Jimmy, the dynamite-eating goat bent on destruction.
A goat full of dynamite? What are we gonna do?
Run for your...
The Loaded Goat is located in downtown Mount Airy, North Carolina, right off of Main Street, pretty much right down this way. Most of the parking is actually in the back, or you can park up at Main Street.
The Loaded Goat is located inside the old Main Oak Emporium building, which is no longer open, but the restaurant is still open for business. So we're going to go ahead and head up to the doors here. They do open at 5, so we're going to go ahead in and try to get a table. So when you first come in, the restaurant is going to be off to the right up this set of stairs. They do have some signs to let you know that you are in the right place. So everything, like we said, is themed around the Loaded Goat from the Andy Griffith show. So you're going to be able to see Jimmy here all throughout the restaurant. So it is right at opening, so we're going to be able to be seated immediately. We'll show you guys around. So the restaurant is technically a sports bar, so as you can see, they do have a lot of sports memorabilia around. As well, we'll take a quick look here at the bar and see what kind of drinks they have on tap, as well as their bar service. As you can see, they have a couple things on tap. By the looks of the chalk, they change them out pretty frequently. And representing our local NFL team, the Panthers, they even have a beer bucket here for that. So here's a quick look at the menu and what they have to offer, starting with the appetizers to the burgers and much more. Also, here's a quick look at their cocktails. And on the other side, we do have wine and beer buckets, as well as just their draft and bottled beers. And funny enough, we have a shark attack. That is the nickname of the ocean attack that's actually at Universal, so shout out to those guys. So I'm going to get this Mayberry Rita. It's a spin on a classic margarita. And Seth is getting this winter ale, which is actually not on the traditional menu, but they have it in stock this season. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the memorabilia they have here on the wall. It's just over to the side near the restroom here, but as you can see, they have a lot of memorabilia that's themed to the episode with Jimmy, the Loaded Goat, and just some general Andy Griffith show merchandise as well. But we'll take a quick second and let you guys take a look at some of the signed photos and the memorabilia from the show. And they also have this signed photo from Thelma Lou, which she actually resided in Mount Airy until recently. She had passed away, but this is actually a signed photo to the owners of the Loaded Goat. And even some more of the signed photos. They have a lot of these here. Very cool. And again, these are off near to the bathroom here on the hallway leading to the bathroom, so be sure to stop by and take a look. So here is my Mayberry Rita. Again, it's a twist on a classic margarita with local Mayberry spirits and moonshine. Looks very tasty. I'm very excited to try this. Usually not a big margarita fan, but on the menu it looked very good. And here it says winter ale. He's had similar ale beers before, but I think he's excited to try this one. So we've decided to get the potato skins as our appetizer. We usually get these when we visit. It has been a few years since we've been here, but I'm sure they haven't changed and they're still delicious. I'm going to be getting this Carolina dog as my entree. It comes with slaw, chili, and mustard. And I believe Seth is going to be getting this bacon cheeseburger, and he's actually going to be getting pimento cheese as his cheese choice. He's gotten this before and he swears by it. And the butcher burger here gives a shout out to the White Elephant Beer Company. We've actually featured them in our Mayberry wine and beer tour, so if you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out after this video.
So here's our potato skins. They come with a ranch or sour cream dip. They're pretty much normal potato skins, other than the fact that it seems that they've been split down the middle.
Like we mentioned, these are a favorite of ours, especially with that ranch sour cream dip combination. It makes for a great appetizer. So here's my Carolina dog with chili. I did not get the slaw, but I instead just got the chili and the mustard. And as you can see, it is loaded down with the chili, almost like a traditional chili that you would have for like a soup. And here's Seth's bacon cheeseburger with that melted pimento cheese on top of the burger. And he got everything on it, I believe. And he also got these sweet potato fries, and they come with like a sweet dipping sauce. We're not exactly sure what's in it, but they are a great treat. He's gotten these before and loves them. And here's another little look at his burger, as well as it comes with pickles on the side instead of on the sandwich itself. But we'll let Seth show us a little cross section here of his sandwich. And lastly, we're going to have the peanut butter cookie with ice cream, whipped cream, and peanut butter sauce. This looks absolutely delicious. You can't really go wrong with any sort of peanut butter style dessert. So as you can see, this dessert was delicious. There's not really much more to say besides that it was amazing. So here's a quick look at our check, just so you guys can kind of see the prices of everything that we got. But altogether around $50. Not too bad if you consider we got drinks as well. Alright guys, so we are all done here at the Loaded Goat tonight, and we'll start with our appetizer. We got the potato skins. What did you think of those, Seth?
Yeah, those were good. I like the sour cream ranch sauce or dipping sauce. That was good.
Yeah, it's not like a traditional ranch sauce. It's actually, like Seth said, it's like a combination almost of like a sour cream and ranch, and it's got a little bit of a kick to it. But I got the Carolina dog, and it was just a traditional hot dog. I did not get the slaw on it. I'm not a big slaw fan for hot dogs, so I just got the mustard and the chili, and it was really good. The chili was almost like a traditional chili, like soup, I guess, that you would get, not like a hot dog chili, but it was really good. It had an awesome flavor. But what did you get, Seth?
I got the bacon cheeseburger with, and I chose pimento cheese. They give you like 5 or 6 different options of cheese, which we kind of shown on the menu, but I got pimento cheese, and that really made it really good. Yeah,
gives it something extra.
I like pimento cheese, so I don't really think that's something I can usually get anywhere else around here.
On a burger, especially. Yeah, pimento cheese is kind of like one of those southern specialties, so it's kind of funny even for us to see it on a burger. But our drinks were really good as well. We got like a, what was mine called? It was like a Mayberry Rita or something like that. But it was super good as well. It was like a margarita, but it had moonshine in it instead of like the traditional margarita mix. And it was strong. It tasted super strong, but that's what you want when you pay for a drink. But which one did you get again? It was like a winter.
Yeah, it was winter ale. I think it was Great Lake was the brand. I'd never actually heard of that before or had that one. It was different tasting, but it was good.
It still had like a nuttiness, right?
Yeah, I like anything that's like a ale, I kind of can stick with that kind of thing. It's my favorite.
Yeah, but guys, we hope you enjoyed this pit stop. Like we said, we wanted to highlight this for you guys because it is a highlight of the Mayberry theme here in Mount Airy, and we hope you guys learned something and had fun joining us here for our dinner and our experience. But until next time,
we hope to see you on the next adventure.
Bye.